Welcome back. Now in this video we will create a new directory first, and we're going to simply give the name to this directory as a search product, and right in this directory we will create a new dot file. It will be search product. In here we will have a stateful widget, so in here write st and also give the name as search product. In here we don't need this key, simply del that and click upon that stateful widget, import the library material.dart. Now in here we will just have a scaffold and we will add the app bar in which there will be title for that specific search product screen. So in here what I'll do, I'll go back towards the profile screen.dart, and from here we will just copy that from here to here. Okay, copy it and go back towards the search product.dart in here, right in the scaffold, paste it, and this time we will change this to the search product screen. Okay, so whenever we will click upon the text button, that we will create just in a while right in the home screen. So whenever we will click upon that text button, it will just send us toward this specific screen, and there is going to be the app bar and the title is going to be search product screen, so that we can know. Now it's fine right here. Let's go back towards the home screen.dart. Okay, here we are. Now we will just add another text button. Okay, so for time saving, what I'll do, I'll just copy that text button from here to here, copy it. Okay, and below in here this text button, okay, in here paste it. Now we will just modify that. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just change this profile screen toward the search product screen that we just created a while ago. Okay, search product, there we go. Okay, and also we will change the icon to the search because it's a search product screen. We can change it to the, let's change it, we'll go with the orange, so it will be kind of different colors and it will look more good. So we add another text button. As you guys can see, the first one is for profile screen, we already touched that, and also that text button is for search product screen. Okay, we just set everything. Now just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the output. And guys, I have already hot reload the app, so I'll just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the changes. Ctrl S, and there we go with another text button. Okay, and we have already set the navigator right toward the search product screen. So let's go ahead and click upon that. It will just send you right toward the search product screen. There we go. Okay, it's working totally fine and you guys can see the result right in here. Now I'll just, it's a search product screen, so in here we just didn't add the back button. So in order to go back, I'll just refresh the app so that we can go back to the home screen. Later on we will create a back button. For now there is no need of it. So here you are right in the home screen and you already test that it's working totally fine. Now also we will add another text button in order to sign out the user. So whenever the user will sign out from this home screen, we will just redirect that user towards the welcome screen. Okay, so this text button, copy it, and below this text button right in here paste it. Okay, now in here, as I told you already, we will just navigate the user towards the welcome screen. So in here we will have a welcome screen. Okay, and also we will change the icon towards the logout, or you can go with the login now. I'll just go with that one, logout. Okay, and also we will do a little work creating this on press event. So in there first let me just create the instance towards the Firebase auth, and also you guys can see the icon for the logout. Okay, since it's a stateful widget, so it just changed the result dynamically. Okay, you guys can see that in here. Now what I'll do, I'll just create the Firebase auth authentication instance. So for that, in here let's create the Firebase auth. There we go, give the name as auth, and we will just assign the Firebase auth dot instance, write it n semicolon, and we will make this private. Now we will go down and use that instance, write in the on-press event of a welcome screen or the logout. In here auth, then we will say sign out, the small s, there we go, and right after we will say dot then. Okay, so in there, write in the curly braces, write it, and in here semicolon. We will set the navigator right in this curly braces. So what I'll do, I'll just cut this code from here, cut it, and write in this curly braces, paste it. Okay, as you guys can see, just don't get confused in that. So it's simply mean that whenever it will authenticate and it's gonna sign out the user, then only in that case specific, okay, then we will just navigate the user towards the welcome screen. Okay, only if the authentication will be successful, sign out the user, and then we will just navigate the user towards the welcome screen. I hope you can get the idea now. Just refresh the app, and now we will test that test button if it's working fine or not. So here we are back on the home screen, and there we go with the logout icon. Just click upon that and we will see, boom, there we go. Okay, it's working totally fine, and we are successfully signed out from the home screen, and there we go with the welcome screen. You can go simply towards the sign up, register a new account, and you can go towards the login to log in the existing account. Okay, so it's working totally fine. I'll go towards the login, and we will just sign in the user, that specific user, Andrew Muggs, that I registered before. Okay, now the password was MacBook, just fine, visibility off, login, boom, there we go, it's working totally fine. So basically that's it for this video. Right, from the next video we will work further. So see ya.